In this lecture, we'll learn about having to navigate through sheets and between tabs using keyboard shortcuts. Our first task will be to navigate to the very first cell in our spreadsheet, A1, in one keystroke. Please practice along with me in your practice file. To do this, simply hold Ctrl and press the Home key. My Home key, because I have a full keyboard, is just above my arrow keys. So if I hold Ctrl and tap Home, you'll see that we jump to A1. This will always bring us to the top left corner of our spreadsheet. Now, to do the opposite, to go to the last cell of the spreadsheet, hold Ctrl and hit End. This will bring us to the cell with the highest number and letter combination of the spreadsheet. Now let's navigate back to section 2 using Ctrl Home, and now Ctrl plus arrow keys. So I'll use Ctrl down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, and here we are. The next skill is the Page Up button. Hit it one time. You'll see this moves us one full screen up and can often be faster than using Ctrl plus arrows depending on what data is in the spreadsheet. One helpful thing to note is that this feature moves the active cell. So when I press Page Down, you'll see the active cell moves down as well. We can also move one screen to the right and to the left. To move one screen right, hold Alt and then hit the Page Down key. There we go. And to move one screen left, hold Alt and hit the Page Up key. All right, now let's learn how to move across tabs. First, let's move one tab to the right. Hold Ctrl and hit Page Down. Now hit Page Down again. This is a great shortcut for ripping back and forth through workbooks with 10 or even sometimes 50 tabs. Now hold Ctrl and hit Page Up twice to move back to tab 1. The last skill we're going to learn is highlighting tabs. Highlighting tabs is helpful in two scenarios. The first is when we want to move tabs. Often we want to move tabs to a new spreadsheet or just reorder the existing tabs in a spreadsheet. If we highlight the tabs, we can move, say, 5 tabs at a time. The other scenario this skill is used for is when we're formatting tabs. So if we wanted to make a group of tabs blue, it's faster if you highlight them all first. So to highlight one tab to the right, hold Ctrl, Shift, and hit Page Down. You'll see that both of our tabs are highlighted. Now hold just Ctrl and hit the Page Down once, and you can see we've abandoned the highlight. Now hold Ctrl and Shift and Page Up once and hit Page Up again. And you'll see that we've highlighted 3 tabs. Pro tip: unhighlight tabs before you do anything. If you do something in one sheet, it will happen to all highlighted sheets. Here you'll see if I type something random into a cell, say my name, it will happen to all highlighted sheets. So let's just look in the next tab. You'll see now we have Eric Andrews, and the next tab we have Eric Andrews. Sometimes we want to format a series of tabs the exact same way, and this skill can be helpful. But normally, we just want to make sure that we aren't working in the spreadsheet when we have multiple tabs highlighted at the same time. So I'll delete this, and it's all been deleted. Now, unhighlight the tab using Ctrl, and now just hit Page Down until you get out of the highlighted region, and now you can just use Page Up, and we can get started on some more practice examples. Please pause the lecture now and try these examples on your own before continuing this video. Okay, in our first example, we want to move to cell A1 and back in the fewest keystrokes possible. Okay, to go to cell A1, we want to hold Ctrl and then tap the Home key. But now we want to get back. I personally will use a combination of Page Down and arrows. So first Page Down, now one arrow to the right, and hold Ctrl, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow. Okay, we're back. Now we want to move one screen right, one screen down, one screen left, and one screen up. Okay, to move one screen right, we hold Alt and we hit Page Down. Now, one screen down, we just hit Page Down. Now one screen left, we hold Alt and hit page up. Now, one screen up, just hit page up. Okay, now let's navigate one tab right and back. So holding Control, hit page down once, and while still holding Control, hit page up once. Finally, let's highlight two tabs. So holding Control and Shift, hit page down. Now, hold Control and hit page down to get out of the highlight. Use page up, come back to the first tab, and we're finished. So now that you know how to navigate through spreadsheets and highlight data, let's put your skills to the test in the next section focused 100% on practice exercises.